All I'm saying is that we try it.
So watch your back. That's all I'm saying.
All I'm saying is, do you love this girl?
She's the one.
All I'm saying is you forget how special you are.
All I'm saying is I don't have my Claritin, okay? And I'm allergic to almost everything.
I don't think that's how it works. All I'm saying is I think married guys would be the perfect fit for you.
All I'm saying is I'm ready. You know, for things you don't think I'm ready for.
Maybe I'm not ready.
And all I'm saying is less you and more facts.
Got it.
I'm not gay.
All I'm saying is that I don't hold nothing against nobody that way, you know?
Are you finished?
Yeah.
All I'm saying is that we wait. Yes, you would say that, because it's not your brother, is it?
All I'm saying is that Boston women are, on the whole, a paler, uglier sort than women from the elsewheres of life.
All I'm saying is that the center of the world can be anywhere you want it to be. Anywhere.
Look, all I'm saying, if a guy doesn't call me, I would like to preserve the right to call him at 15-minute intervals until he picks up.
It's entirely up to you, Harry. It's entirely your call. All I'm saying is, I'm not fighting.
You know what I mean?
I'm not.
All I'm saying is, I'm glad that we have this chance to get to know each other better.
All I'm saying is you don't seem entirely rational about this thing. And I think it's about time we found somebody to help make some sense of your life.
All I'm saying is that I'll let you know if it's even worth pursuing. And for God's sake, you're a 23-year-old educated woman. Go get yourself an apartment.
All I'm saying is that until we understand that our enemies are also human beings, we will never be able to defeat them. Yes, they are bad guys, but that is what they do, not who they are.
There's nothing to be ashamed of, is all I'm saying. Dick, some people have that robbing thing, and some people don't. Maybe you're not a badass.